main title of the article is what did I call this? Don't trust anybody else with your crypto. No, it was like, this is why crypto is so important, because our first article is going to go over Robinhood and how they're suspending like trading for a couple hours. And this can happen with any crypto exchange. And again, we do not need the exchanges to hold on to our money. This is cryptocurrencies, like even precious metals. It's like, if you don't hold it, you don't own it. And in crypto, not your keys, not your coins, but we don't need these platforms to trade or do anything. We got the DeFi side, decentralized finance that you can use and everything. So yeah, I always want to just get this out there so that way you don't fall for it, because it happens every cycle. People start buying on Robinhood, they buy on Coinbase, buy on Bitcher, and they're always going like, well, isn't it okay to leave my cryptos on here? No, it is not. You are responsible for the security behind it. So you are responsible for where you want to keep it, hold it, and what device you're going to store it on. So yeah, let's go over this article. It's coming from Cointelegraph. And yes, Robinhood suspends 24-hour trades for 8 hours. That's right. Robinhood's 24-hour execution Blue Ocean ATS has its own risk controls to prevent stocks from trading more than 20%. So they make it so controlled. Nasty. Cryptocurrency-friendly stock trading app Robinhood saw its 24-hour markets execution venue, Blue Ocean ATS, otherwise known as BOATS. It was suspended for overnight trading on August 6th. Robinhood's support account, Robinhood Help, took to X on August 5th to announce the BOATS halted overnight trading on Robinhood from 12 a.m. UTC time to 8 a.m. UTC on August 6th. Now, you may cancel your order at any time and can still place an order for another trading session, Robinhood support wrote, adding that all open trades as of 12 a.m. would be routed for execution around 8 hours. Now, Robinhood allegedly halted 24-hour trading for 2 days in a row. Robinhood's latest 24-hour trading halt followed another alleged overnight suspension by BOATS on the previous day, with multiple users reporting on the issue on August 5th, and the alleged suspension came amid a global stock market crash on Monday, with Japan's Nikkei seeing its most significant decline since Black Monday in 1987. Now, Robinhood didn't explicitly admit the trading halt to Cointelegraph on August 5th, only stating that the platform was operating at the time of communication. Now, our overnight trading session is currently operating, a spokesperson for Robinhood stated when asked to confirm or deny the 24-hour trading service halt. It was introduced in May of 2023, and the Robinhood 24-hour market service allowed customers to invest outside of the traditional hours. For its 24-hour market, Robinhood uses BOATS to execute overnight trading, so that's what they use for it. But according to the support page on Robinhood, BOAT has its own risk control to prevent stocks from trading more than 20% above or below the price, and established near the end of the extended hours trading session. The page added that the public exchanges have similar controls to prevent extreme price movements during market hours, including limit up, limit down halts, and this means individual securities in the 24-hour market won't trade outside these pricing bands, and BOATS may also reject orders with limit prices outside these prices. So even Robinhood admits that these other exchanges have the same capability to do it. So yeah, it just makes you want to just be in control of your cryptos and whatever else money you have, whether it's precious metals, cryptocurrencies, or even fiat cash if you want to be holding on to that, which I don't really do. Just make sure you're holding on to it, because even when you go to the bank and try to move money out, they have to ask you like a dozen gazillion questions. Well, where's this for? Where's this going to? Who was this person? How do you know? It's like, this is my money. Why are you holding on to it? Just give it to me. So yeah, thank God for precious metals and crypto. But according to social media reports, Robinhood wasn't the only brokerage platform experiencing issues due to the stock market volatility. Other brokerage platforms such as Charles Schwab, Fidelity, Vanguard, TD, Ameritrade, E-Trade, UPS, CenturyLink have reportedly experienced trading outages as well. Now, multiple Robinhood users complained about canceled trades. Multiple disgruntled investors publicly complained about canceled trades on X in response to Robinhood's suspension announcement. Now, what about my shares of NVIDIA that I purchased last night, which were up nearly 10% before the clawback? They clawed back this morning. One apparent Robinhood user, Kyle Babbitt, wrote on X, according to a screenshot shared by the investor, Robinhood sent him an email that all trades executed during the suspension period would be canceled due to an issue experienced by Blue Ocean's ATS. So yeah, here's that tweet from him. What about my shares? Blah, 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 blah. And it was like a nope, well, these are going to be canceled. So, nasty. Now, a number of investors also called on the United States regulators to check whether the trading halt was in accordance with U.S. laws. Now, how is any of this even legal? Another disgruntled investor wrote on X asking Robinhood to provide the reason for turning off the 24-hour trading execution. Well, again, usually once you give up your money, it's not your money anymore. It's the same thing with banks if you don't really know that. The moment you give your money to the banks, it's not yours. I've heard this from many, many people before, and like it just doesn't click. So it's like But one alleged Robinhood investor who reported losing $500 due to the boat suspension also stressed that the platform had zero record of its purchase during the suspension period. Now, I wonder what FINRA would have to say about stealing my profits, the user wrote. Cointelegraph approached Robinhood for a comment regarding the latest halt on its 24-hour trading volume venue, but did not receive a response at the time of publication. And of course not. Why would Robinhood want to talk about this at all? But no. So yeah, this just shows you just the importance of why self-custody is important. And again, if you're going to purchase on these sites, just be very, very cautious about it. Like, just have this in the back of your mind that, like, if they're not going to allow you to move it right away, just maybe find another option. And again, like, I recommend Caleb and Brown, your online brokerage where you can purchase cryptos peer to peer, and yeah, it's perfect. So yeah, just be cautious out there and take custody of your cryptos.